I just purchased this piece of land and we're planning to build the large dealership in Strasburg, Colorado. So we're currently the used car dealer. We have running shop, running location, and we come up to the point when we need to expand. We don't have enough space. That's why we got this piece of land just to build and have enough parking to build a building and have enough parking up to 500 cars inventory, and that probably would be the larger dealer in Strasburg. So we got this land, that's a commercial land, for $330,000. Probably going to invest to build and everything around up to $700,000 to get it ready and running business. We have good things over here. Let me show you. One of the things which could save us money, we have a well over here. That was running well. That was a long time ago, but it's well already. And the only thing probably would need just to pump it, replace the pump and wiring, and should be good. The size of this land, that's 6.2 acres. And the location we have now, that's just 3,600 square feet with the 6 parking spots, and that's it. At this location, we're planning to build around 13,000 square feet, the building with the office, the shop with the office. And that's, I told you before, so around 500 parking spots for the inventory. And also we would have a yard on this end of the property just to keep the cars which is waiting for the repairs, or some of the cars which is getting for parts. One of the points why we got this location, because it's already been zoned as a commercial industrial, and it's also fits for the retail sales and a dealership. And in Colorado, in Denver area, it's pretty hard to find some of those locations. And we just found this piece that was really good deal. Now we started process with all the things. So one of the first steps we have to do, you taking the permits for everything. The good thing, we have a well, and probably wouldn't need to pull the permit for it. As far as that was 20 years ago, does not require the permit for it. But for the rest of the things like a septic, we need to pull the permit and build it in. Then we need the electricity. Also, we have to go through the county and everything, pull the permits. And with all the things that takes the first step, that's the permits for any kind of job, then we can get it done. So we're planning to get approximate size of the building that would be 80 feet wide and 200 feet long, with approximately 25 feet for the office, and the rest of it would be the working space. Also, we're planning to get around 7 to 8 lifts for the car, different kind of lifts, just to be able to do different kind of stuff. Also, one of the things we're going to start at this location, we're going to buy RVs, campers, trailers, motorhomes, and just get a service down, restore, repair, and also the sales. Stay tuned for the new episodes with this project. We'll post more videos. I will go step by step, and also we'll get a more project with the cars, power sport, and some interesting things. See you.